Hey everyone, today we'll be taking a look at my new solar powered security camera. So we can install this on a pole. It comes with attachments to do that, or you can do a regular wall install with the mount on the back. It comes with the bracket to install our solar panel, and we have all the wires we will need. There are no extra accessories required for installation. Here's a quick look at everything you're going to get in this set. One speed dome camera, one solar panel, quick operation guide, a bracket, charging and connecting cables, and a power of screws. On the bottom of the white base under the silicone cover, we can locate our on and off button and our power outlet. Let's go ahead and turn it on. Now it's time to download and connect to the app. You can do it by scanning the QR code in the manual or searching ESEE Cloud in the App Store. Then you want to add a device and scan the QR code that's on your camera. Then scan the QR code that pops up on your phone to the camera. Then it will prompt you to name your device if you'd like, and we are in and can start using our camera. This camera can turn its head 355 degrees horizontally and 120 degrees vertically, enabling us to monitor a 360-degree view of our property on the app with no blind spots. It's built with a 1080p FHD resolution that provides us with a clear and crisp recording so we can watch remotely in real time through the mobile app. The camera is equipped with a long-lasting rechargeable battery and a high-efficiency solar panel so we can keep running non-stop. We can view live stream, record clips, and take screenshots simultaneously with our app. The infrared lights on this camera automatically sense the ambient light and switch to night vision mode when the light becomes weak. Therefore, objects within 65 feet at night can be seen clearly. Also, the outdoor camera enables you to view images with bright, vibrant color in live video streaming and playback. This camera can send you real-time notifications and alerts when it detects movements. After receiving the alert, you can speak to the person in front of the camera in real time through the app and automatically save those videos to your micro SD card or cloud as you choose. And it's IP65 certified to withstand rain, sun, heat, and cold.